Iloilo City Incorporated. Stay until this afternoon because we have a lot of surprises prepared for all of you. Because here at SWAC, we will always be united in colors, united in heart. So stand tall, dear real. Lift your banners high.
We began small, humble classrooms, limited numbers, but limitless dreams. Through the years, we have grown not only in size, but in spirit, mission, and impact. Today, we celebrate one of our greatest and largest gatherings of families, which, to the families who stayed with us through the years, thank you.
Ay, maulit karon.
To those who have helped our goals and really return, thank you for remembering us. To our new families who chose to trust us with their children,
Yum yum,
thank you
small.
for being home. And every time we see a child who was once afraid that something we treat lightly, it is something we protect,
Yum.
nurture, and honor every single day. We are proud that we continue to provide meaningful and informative service. As many of you know, we are an inclusive institution serving both regular learners and learners with special needs. Inclusion is not always easy. It requires patience, it requires resources, it requires hearts that choose when practicing cheer drills, training craft, and preparing performances. To join the preparing games, shared by children and parents alike. What I saw was not competition. I saw commitment, teamwork, and love in action. And as the director of this school, I want you to know this.
Okay, we need Ms. Underwood to please maintain a space and each of you as you are about to start our Zumba. Okay, we need... Ladies and gentlemen, it's a moment we've all been waiting for. The Cheers and Yells competition is about to begin.
That's right, the stage is set, the judges are ready, and the energy in this room is absolutely electric.
Leading up the competition and ready to dazzle us with their moves, their spirit, and their teamwork. Please give a thunderous round of applause for our first team to perform. Tapping Team!
to guide others home.
Today, that light is no longer hidden, and today it shines for all of us to see.
From the magical world of Tango, where pirates returns to one stop beyond